Now we are finding the value of root 3 up to 3 decimal places. Now write, to find the value of root 3 up to 3 decimal places, we have to take 4 pairs of zeros. So 3 point G, one pair, second pair, third and fourth pair. Okay, now 1 into 1 is equal to 1, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 1 and 4 are perfect square numbers. This 3 lies between 1 and 3. Okay, now we must take smaller value, means that's why our target is 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. This is 2. 3 minus 1, 2. Carry down a pair of 0 after decimal, that's why we have to put decimal here and zeros. Okay, now once carry down, write twice of this number. What is that? 1. Twice of that 2, means twice means multiply with the 2. Okay, this is very important situation. Now this is 1 digit. Okay, it contains 3 digit. Try to divide this first digit, means from left side, that is 2. Try to divide this 2 by 2. Now this 2 is exactly divisible by 2, means 2 ones 2, right? So we can write 1 here and there. This is 21, this is 1. When this 21 is multiplied by 1, you will get to 21. This 21 is very smaller than 200. There is a chance to cancel, right? That is why take another digit. Okay, so we taken 2, now we take 20. This 20 can try to divide this 20 by 2. Yes, 20 can divide with 2 by 10 times. Okay, this 20 can divide by 2 how many times? 10 times. So we can write 10 here and there. If you write 10 here, it is 210. It is divisor. It is dividend. Divisor is greater than dividend, so it is not possible. So what is the next step? Reduce that 10 to 9. If you write 9 here and there, 29 into 9 becomes 261, greater than 200. So it is not possible, right? Next take 8. 8 into 8. 28 into 8 becomes 224. It is also greater. Now reduce to 7. 27 into 7. 27 into 7. 27 into 7 becomes 189. Right, now it is possible. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. Right, once it is over, carry down second pair of 0. It is over. Once you carry, write twice, find the double of 17. Double of 17 or twice of 17 is 34. Right there. Once it is over, try to divide these first 2 digits, that is 1 and 1, 11, with 34. 11 is smaller than 34, that's why we cannot, it is not possible. That's why take 3 digits, 110, 34. This 110 can divide by 34 how many times? Approximately 3 times. So this 110 can divide with 34 by 3 times. That's why write here, write 3 here and there. This is 343, this is 3. Now multiply this 343 with what you wrote 3. 3 into 343 becomes 1029. 343 into 3 becomes 1029. 10 minus 1, 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 2, 7. This is 0, this is 0. Carry down third pair of 0. Once you carried third pair, write twice of 173 here. Write twice of 173 as divisor. Twice of 173 is 346. Twice of 173 is what? 346. Now there are 3 digits in divisor. Dividend 710. Now this 710 can divide with 346 approximately 2 times. So write 2 here and there. What is this number? 3462. What you wrote? 2. Multiply 3462 with 2. When it is multiplied, this number with this 2, what we will get? 6924. When this number is multiplied by 2, we will get 6924. Now 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 2, 7. There is 0. 10 minus 9, 1. Now carry down second pair of 0. Sorry, this is fourth pair of zeros. Right? Once you carry down, what is next step? Twice of this number. Twice of 1732. Twice of 1732 is 3464. When this number is multiplied with 2, you will get 3464. Okay, ma? Right. Now, once you write, now go to this one. Here there are 4 digits. Consider 4 digits. 1760. This 1760 cannot divisible by this number. We cannot divide 1760 by 3000. Why? Because this is 1700, this is 3400. That's why one more digit. If you take one more digit, it becomes 17,600. Okay, 17,600. This is 17,600 approximately 18,000. This is 3,464 means approximately 3,000. This 18,000 can divide with 3,000 by 6 times. By 6 times. See, once again, 17,600. So above 500, so it is 18,000. This is 18,000. Okay. Now 3,464 less than 500, these 4. Therefore it is 3,000. Okay. This 18,000 can divide with 3 by how many times? 6 times. If you write 6 here, this is 34,646. Okay. If you write 6 here and there, this is 34,646. This is a divisor. This is a dividend. See, divisor is greater than dividend. Okay, ma? Once again, I am repeating. Here there are 4 digits. That's why we must take first 4 digits. First 4 digits are 1760. Now, we cannot divide 1760 by 3464. So that's why what should we do? Take one more digit. Now it becomes 17,600. 17,600 approximately 18,000. 3,400 approximately we can consider as 3,000. This 18,000 can divide with 3,000 by how many times? 6 times. If you consider this is 18,000, this is 3,000. This 18,000 can divide with this 3,000 by how many times? 6 times. So I'm writing 6 here and there. See, this is 34,646. This one just 17,000. Divisor is greater than dividend. That is why division is not possible. That's why what should we do? We must think alternate. What is that alternate? Take one more pair of zeros. Take one more pair of zeros. We can take, no problem. You are taking extra pair. That's why we must pay extra amount. That means we must put 0 here and there. Okay. Now, right. Okay, ma. Now, this is 18,000. This is 3,000. How many times I told you? How many times? This is 18,000. This is 3,000. How many times? 6 times. By writing 6 times, please listen to me. This 18,000. This is how many times? This is 18,000. This is 3,000. This 18,000 means what is that? When you take first 5 digits. When we take first 5 digits, or what is that? 17. This is 3. Approximately 5 times. Okay, when this number is multiplied by 5, we will get 1,73,000. 17,32025. Okay, ma, 17,32,025. When this number is multiplied by 5, we will get this one. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 5 minus 3, 2. So already we got 5 digits. Square root of 3 is equal to 1.73205. But we want up to 3 decimal places only. 1.732. So root 3 value 1.732.